Hi, my name is Maddie, and today I'm going to be walking you through an accessories leather care tutorial. Although accessories don't experience as much wear and tear as your shoes do, it is still important to protect them so that they stay looking their best for as long as possible. First, you can use an all-purpose protectant over your accessories. From time to time, you can use a conditioner to keep your leather looking soft and supple. You can use a colorless one for any of your products, or you can find one that's closer to the color that your product is. Feel free to shine your accessories using a dry cloth. For any nubuck detailing, you can use the rubber side of a nubuck brush to wipe away any salt or grime. For any serious spillage in your bag, we recommend heading to a cobbler to have your accessory professionally cleaned. Thank you so much for watching our accessories leather care tutorial. If you have any further questions, you can reach out to our team at concierge@poppybarley.com.